श्रीमान् वेङ्कटनाथार्य कवितार्किककेशरी वेदान्ताचार्यवर्यो मे सन्निधत्तां सदा कृति वेदान्तलक्ष्मणमुनीन्द्रकृपार्थबोधं त्वत्पादयुग्मसरसीर्घभृङ्गराजं त्रय्यन्तयुग्मकृतभूरिपरिश्रमं तं श्रीरङ्गलक्ष्मणमुनिं चरणं प्रपद्ये. श्रीमते रामानुजाय नमः. श्रीमते रङ्गरामानुजमहादेशिकाय नमः. Srimate Godaye Namaha. With the divine blessings of Lord Rangamannar and Goddess Goda Devi, we have entered 8th day of the Margazhi month. Today's Pasuram in Tirupavai is கீழ்வானம் வெள்ளென்று எருமை சிறுவீடு மேய்வான் பரந்தனகான் மிக்குள்ள பிள்ளைகளும் போவான் போகின்றாரை போகாமல் காத்து உன்னை கூவுவான் வந்து நின்றோம் கோது கலமுடைய பாவாய் எழுந்திராய் பாடிப்பறை கொண்டு மாவாய் பிளந்தானை மல்லரை மாட்டிய தேவாதி தேவனை சென்று நாம் சேவித்தால் ஆவாவென்றாராய்ந்து அருளேலோரெம்பாவாய். We shall see the specialties of the Gopika who is being waken up in this Pasuram and the Divya Desam referred in this Pasuram, that is Perumal Koil, Varadaraja Perumal Koil, Kanchivaram. 8th Pasuram is very special because 8 is very auspicious now. It is related to Ashtaksharam, which gives Bhagavan himself to us by chanting the Ashtakshara Mantram. Sri Nigamanta Mahadesikan in this Desika Prabandham Adhikara Sangraham quote one sloka which is having 18 times 8, the number 8. எட்டுமா மூர்த்தி என் கணன் என் திக்கு எட்டு இறை என் பிரகிருதி எட்டுமா வரைகள் ஈன்ற என் குணத்தோன் எட்டெனும் என் குணமதியோர்க்கு எட்டு மாமலர் என் சித்தி என் பத்தி எட்டு யோகாங்கம் என் செல்வம் எட்டு மாகுணம் எட்டு எட்டு எனும் கலை எட்டு இரதம் மேலதுவும் எட்டினவே. In this slokam, Desikar is telling the Emberuman who is having 8 gunam qualities. He has created number 1 Shiva who is in 8 forms, number 2 Brahma who is having 8 eyes, and number 3 8 directions, number 4 Ashtadikparakas, number 5 8 Tattvam, that is 8 principles, and next is 8 big mountain. This Paramatma who is the 8-letter mantra, Ashtakshara Mantram, if we worship this Paramatma and his 8 concepts, Ashtalakshmi, then we will be blessed with the 8 superior qualities, Ashtamahasiddhi, and 8 types of Bhakti, and Ashta Yogangam, Ashta Aishwaryam, 8 gunas that a Muktatma attains, and proficiency into 8 into 8, 64 types of arts. This Emberman is none other than Devadi Devan, Varadarajan residing in Kanchivaram. Coming to Tirupavai Pasuram, we are in the second part of 6 parts Tirupavai. This is the third sloka in the second part. Andal, after waking up Pillai and Pei Penne in 6th and 7th Pasurams, in this 8th Pasuram, she is waking up the girl who is Kodu Kalamudaya Pavai, who is so special to Krishna. The girl sleeping inside asks Andal to give indicator for sunrise and dawn. Andal gives the first indicator that sky has started becoming white in the eastern side, which means that sun is going to rise. But the inside Gopika does not concur with this, and she says that you all 5 lakh Gopikas are eager to see Krishna after sunrise. So the brightness in your eyes, the radiant faces reflects in the sky, and you are thinking that sky became white. So Andal is giving the second indication. The cow, buffaloes have been sent to the field to do the initial eating. Normally the buffaloes are taken far off to graze the grass, whatever they want. That is after sunrise only. That will be called as Peruveed. Here in the early morning, the buffaloes are led into small fields so that they can eat dew and small new grass that has newly cropped up. This is called Siruveedu. See, though the Andal is the daughter of Periyalvar, while doing this vratam, she herself treats that she is in the Ayarpadi and she is a Gopika and give the correct indication that only the cowherd clan knows. That is the greatness of the poet and the Prabandham. For this indication also, Gopika inside is telling, because of the shining lighting in your face and eyes, whenever you look into any direction, the darkness in that direction moves from there, and that you are thinking that a dark cow and dark buffalo is going around. And the inside Gopika is telling it is not yet dawn. So because all the Gopikas have not yet come, then Andal is telling, no, no, you see, all have come, and many Gopikas started going to banks of Yamuna to do the Vratam. But without you, how can we proceed? So we brought back all the Gopikas and we all are standing at your gate. போவான் போகின்றாரை போகாமல் காத்து உன்னை கூவுவான் வந்து நின்றோம். Andal clearly states that not a single Gopika is to be missed from doing the Margadi Nonbu. Now Andal is calling that Gopika as a Kodu Kalamudaya Pavai. Oh, you are a special Gopika, so affectionate towards Krishna. Kautuhalam in Sanskrit means lot of love. She is the object of Krishna's love and she is recipient of Krishna's great affection also. Andal is telling, oh, Kodukalamudiya Pavai, you are the leader to us. Treating you as our channel and our Purushakaram, we want to go to Krishna's place and to attain Krishna's love and affection. Please come and join with us and sing the Bhagavan's qualities. Please wake up. If we go and worship Krishna, who tore the mouth of the demon Kesi, Mavai Pilandane, and who killed the restless Mallarai Matiya, the restless Chanura Mushtika arranged by Kamsa to kill the Krishna. But Krishna killed the restless during the festival of bows conducted by Kamsa. தேவாதி தேவனை சென்று நாம் சேவித்தால். He is தேவாதி தேவன். That is, he is the supreme leader to all Nityasuris too. He is not a mere cowhead alone. சென்று நாம் சேவித்தால். When we go to him and worship him with folded hands and prostrate before him and request him to give us his service, the Kainkaryam, and to grant mukti, he will become happy by seeing the devotees and he will analyze our requirements and the shortcomings and he will bless us with his plenty of love and affection. Normally, if any devotee goes to the God and request for something, he will become upset. That is, rather I go and meet the requirements of the devotees, how I let them to come to me and request like this. That shows the Karuna, Vatsalyam, Saulabhyam of the Parapatma. Because Andal is waking up third Gopika, she is telling three indications to the Gopika. Sky has become white and buffaloes have gone for Siruvidu and all the Gopikas have come. And for the inside Gopika also, she is giving three instructions. Oh, Kodukalamudiya Pavai, one wake up and sing the God who killed the Kesi and restless and to worship the Devadi Devan. And three things what Swami will do is one and Rara. So he will become happy by saying the Gopikas. Second, he will analyze the requirements of the Gopikas. And three, he will bless us with his Kainkaryam and Mukti. Here Andal clearly states that she doesn't want to miss a single Gopika also. Likewise, we should also, while doing any Bhagavad Kainkaryam, as far as possible, we have to take all of other devotees also with us and we have to go as a Sangam, as a group and do the Kainkaryam to the God. Divya Desam related to this Pasuram is Kanchipuram, the Perumal Koil. which is the Tyaga Mandapam. Key phrase in this pasuram is Devadi Devanai சென்று நாம் சேவித்தால். Lord Varadarajan is Devadi Devan, Deva Perumal. In this pasuram, Andal wakes up Nammalvar. Nammalvar in his first Prabandham, Thiruviruttam, calls Devadi Deva as Imayor Talaiva, leader of Nitya Soris. In his Thiruvaimozhi also, he refers Varadarajan as Ayarvarum Amarargal Adipadi. In Kanchipuram, this Varadaraja Perumal resides on the Hastigiri, Hasti Shailam, a mountain which is having 24 steps denoting 24 letters of the Gayatri Mantram. He is the Perumal who rescued Ramanujacharyalu when he lost in the Vindhya Parvatams. He is the Pesum Perumal. He speaks with Tirukkachi Nambi. He uttered 6 words for Ramanuja. He is also called as Tyagarajan because he donated Ramanuja to Nambirmal and let him go to Srirangam for reformation and upliftment of Vaishnava Sampradayam. This Devaraja Perumal is the Murti came from the Yajnam done by the Brahma himself. Kanchipuram is one of the 7 Mokshapuris and it is one of the main 4 Divya Desams. That is Srirangam, Kanchipuram, Tirumalai and Melkotte are treated as 4 main Divya Desams. Devadi Devan is also called as Pranatarthi Haran, Perarulala Perumal. Swami Desikan in his Tiruchinnamalai tells that அத்திகிரியருளாள பெருமாள் வந்தார், ஆனை பரிதேரின் மேல் அழகர் வந்தார், கச்சிதனில் கண் கொடுக்கும் பெருமாள் வந்தார், கருதவரம் தரும் தெய்வ பெருமாள் வந்தார், முத்தி மழை பொழியும் மூகில் வண்ணர் வந்தார், முலமென ஓலமிட வல்லார் வந்தார், உத்தரவேதிக்குள்ளே உதித்தார் வந்தார், உம்பர் தொழும் கழலுடையார் வந்தார் தாமே. ஸ்ரீ பெருந்தேவி நாயக்கா சமேத ஸ்ரீ வரதராஜ பெருமாளே நமஹ. So already with this 3 pasurams, Andal wakes up 3 gopikas and tomorrow she is going to wake up the 4th gopika. Srimate Ramanujaya Namaha, Srimate Godaye Namaha.